moved down to Colorado Springs. We bought a house and we bought a little puppy. Bought a little puppy, little Rottweiler puppy. Got a little puppy. You know what I found out? It didn't matter how much money you have, what kind of ethnic background you come from, or what kind of car you drive. Anytime when someone sees a puppy, they're all, hey, did you see the little puppy? You know what they should do to end the war? They should parachute puppies down into a war zone. How can you fight a war if you're... Hey, look at the little puppy. Look at the little puppy. Mohammed, come here, look at the little puppy. Look at the little puppy. The puppy's so cute. I don't know where you're waiting because there's a little puppy. My wife came home one day. She wanted her own puppy. She didn't even tell me. She came home. She bought a poodle. Then we got a Rottweiler and a poodle. And I hate that dog. The dog shakes like he just came home from Starbucks. It's like, It also might be because because when my wife leaves, we'll play ball with the dog. You know, the poodle run and get the ball, and then the righty run and get the poodle. No, don't shake him. Oh, that's why you're shaking. I understand now why you're shaking. And every night they sleep with us on the floor, in our bedroom, on the floor, on each side of the bed. And here's the thing, every night, that Rottweiler snores. How many guys have dogs that snore? Isn't it ridiculous? They're in our house, and they're snoring. And I can't say anything to him, because he's a Rottweiler. Every night, shut up! I didn't know what to do, so I had to get one of those breathe easy strips.